Hey makers, today we're going to take a look at the library. Ever wonder what this was? Well, I'm about to show you. It's a cool little place to store your power and speed settings for each material, different types of material. You don't have to keep a notepad or anything like that. You just use this and you're good to go. First thing we're going to do is go to Art Library. If you haven't seen the video for the Art Library, I'll go ahead and post it. Take a look. It shows you how to build the Art Library. We're going to go ahead and bring an image in. We'll go ahead and make it one layer for now. And we're going to do a cut layer first. We're going to go ahead and say this is 1/4 inch birch. And my typical setting for 1/4 inch birch is 400 by 100. We'll click on the library. We'll go ahead and create new from the layer. We're going to call this birch. Now you have two choices. You could do it by millimeters, or you could change it and put it in by title. That's totally up to you. I usually do it by title. So I take no thickness. I'll put 1/4 inch. And you don't even have to put birch because it's going to be filed under the birch. So just 1/4 inch is good. Description, put your settings in there. Hit OK. Now we have a birch, 1/4 inch, and we have power. I'm going to fix that real fast. Add a description, put a 0 at the end of that. Just looks nicer that way. So we have 1/4 inch under the birch category, 400 by 30. Let's make it a fill layer. My fill layer is usually around 5,000 at 40%. We'll go ahead and create a new layer from that. It's already in there for 1/4 inch. We're just going to change the settings here. Hit OK. Now you can see the difference. You get a fill layer and a line layer. One's open, one's filled. If you don't want to do it this way, you could do a category where it says birch fill, or you could change this to, birch cut. It's all up to you. Once you get all your stuff that you want in here, just click save. If you don't have a library, it'll ask you to create one. I'll just put it where my Lightburn library is. And we'll call this my 40 watt. And now it's saved. So every time you close out and come back, this will be in there. All right, let's say that, you don't want to fill this. All right, so how to use it. You come over here, click on the image. You choose which one you want. So let's say we want to cut it. Right now it's on fill. You want to cut it. You click on the cut and then you hit assign. And it changes it for you. If you want to do fill, just click it, assign it. Very simple. Utilize it. It's there for you. I know I still keep paper and pen next to me and store everything, but this is another great way of storing things. Once again, thank you for watching. I hope you found this useful. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.